Having hard time to decide what course to take? Worry no more because we have BS Psychology at Batangas State University. Our school is located at Barangay Marawoy, Lipa City, Batangas. A leading university in the region that shapes a globally competent citizen imbued with moral courage, nurtured through values and quality education. Batangas State University commits to develop productive citizens by providing the highest standard of instruction, research, extension service, and production through value-laden learning experiences, community partnerships, and internalization initiatives. Being a psychology graduate will take you to many opportunities. You can be a guidance counselor, or you can be a human resource staff. You can also be a clinical psychologist or psychotherapist. We don't just academically excel. We are proud to have